To be able to promote a product on clickbank effectively, you need to know a little about the niche of the product and the product itself. Now, what happens if you know nothing about the niche or the product itself, but you still want to promote the product anyway? Well, you can do one of three things. Either you buy the product to get a first-hand experience, which will cost you some money, do your own research, which will cost you your time, or simply use a private label right product. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use private label rights products to make money on clickbank as an affiliate, and we are starting right now. Hi, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and in this video I'm going to share with you what private label rights contents are, where you can get them for free, and 3 different ways you can use them to make money on clickbank. Now, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in making monies online as an affiliate marketer, you might want to consider hitting that subscribe button, and let's get started. A private label right content is any type of content that gives you the right to edit, change, or modify it however you want. It's basically a license where the creator or owner of a product sells most or all of the intellectual property rights of their product. So now, what's the big deal about private label right content and making money from clickbank? Well, basically the big deal with private label right content is that it can save you a lot of time in your promotional campaigns. Let's face it, even if you can create content on your own, it still takes time to research the content, write and edit it, and either create a video content or post it on your blog. But with private label right content, it takes a lot less time to create content online. For example, you can take a private label right content on a particular topic, break it down into little pieces and use as a daily tip on your Facebook page. Use the same content as a base for your video or blog post. So now, where can you get a private label right content online? There are obviously many websites online that offer quality free private label rights content and products that you can edit, rebrand, and use as you want to make money online. Resell Rights Weekly, for example, is one of such private label rights content platforms where you can get latest hot niche market private label rights for free. I'll be giving you a short link list of free private label rights platforms below this video. Now, how do you use private label rights content to make money on clickbank? Now, to understand the full use of private label rights, it helps to have some idea about what kind of content they offer on private label rights platforms. The most common type of private label rights content often comes in packs around specific topics. So for example, you might get a pack of 25 unrestricted vegan cooking private label rights article or 25 unrestricted understanding your cat private label rights articles. The articles are usually at least 500 words in length, and some of the creators even give you a sample to check out the writing quality as well as the license details on how you can use it. Now, video content is also another type of content offered on private label rights platforms. Usually, private label rights videos don't feature any person directly in the video, so you can use it as your own, and it's particularly handy as social media posts and blog posts. Email sequences is another type of private label rights content offered online. You can get all kinds of email sequences as well as ones that fit in with other products such as ebooks. You can easily adopt or edit these email sequences and make them more you and use them in your autoresponder series. There are also standalone things like the private label rights quotes or updates on certain topics to help you fill in the blanks in your social media calendar. Actually, perhaps the most important thing to figure out with private label rights content is how to use it and how to make it different enough from other people's so it doesn't trigger those duplicate content warning. Here are a few of my favorite ideas. As you probably already know, adding blog posts to your affiliate niche site is a great way to make money consistently online. Now, instead of creating all that content for your niche site yourself, you can easily get a private label rights article related to your niche, tweak it a little bit to make it your own, and post it on your blog post. As an affiliate, you can make money from the blog post by adding links to different affiliate products in your blog post. You can also use private labelized video to attract a lot of traffic to your affiliate offers or blog posts. You can easily post your private labelized product on YouTube and other social media sites like Facebook and drive back traffic to your affiliate offers, landing page, or blog post. So instead of spending time researching, creating, editing video content, which all again takes a lot of your time, it is possible to get private label rights video content that are about your niche, or even videos that are product reviews of items you are promoting. On private label rights platforms, you'll be getting free reports on different niches. You can use private label rights free reports in many different ways. You can either have them directly on your site or offer them as a free gift to build a list. Personally, I prefer using them as an offer to build a list simply because it's an opportunity to contact my prospect buyers in the future. So if you don't have a list as an affiliate, once a visitor visits your offer, they leave. You will not have another way to entice them with another affiliate offer. You can also add your affiliate links within the free reports, and since it's free, many people will get it, go through it, exposing your affiliate links that are embedded within the report, which will definitely increase your chances of making money. There are also sometimes private label rights reviews. That's right, a complete review pack on a specific niche product. The private label right product comes with features and benefits of the product to help people interested to know more about the product. You can use a private label right product review to do a comparison of similar products as well. Sometimes you can buy a private label right product that contains everything you need to set up an affiliate niche site. It contains a product, the opt-in box, a free report, and a review. So that all you have to do next is buy a domain name, get a hosting account, and install the product. So as you can see, private label right content is a great option for affiliate marketers to promote various affiliate programs. It saves time, energy, and it's a great investment of money if you know how to utilize content correctly. On a final note, content is and likely will always be king. Know the difference between good and bad content, and you will always be one step ahead of everyone else. Now, if you are interested in using private label rights content, here are a few platforms that you should consider. There is the ID Private Label Rights platform, the Resale Rights Weekly platform as I already mentioned in this video, and the Master Resale Rights platform. I'll be dropping the links to all these sites below in this video, and with all that, I hope this was another helpful video. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.